Right, and it's come to my attention that there's a little bit of confusion about the exterior venting on this unit and how it actually works. So basically there are two halves to this system. There's a hot side for the exterior portion and a cold side for the interior portion. The cold side of the system is for circulating the interior air. So air is pulled in through this built-in filter. It goes across the cold evaporator, and then cool air is blown out through these two vents. The hot side of the system circulates exterior air. So you have fresh air from outside the vehicle is pulled in through this vent across the hot condenser. It absorbs all the heat from there, and then the hot air is expelled outside the vehicle through this exhaust vent. For this unit to operate properly, both of these 6-inch vents need to be vented to the exterior. For most other AC systems, like a mini split or a rooftop unit, the hot side of the system is already outside of the vehicle. For example, on a rooftop unit, the hot side is sitting outside on the roof. For a mini split, the outside unit is the hot side. So this is a unique unit in the sense that it's all in one, so the hot side is also inside the vehicle. That's why venting is required to the exterior to dissipate all that heat.